the lid. And then just blend the remaining product into the crease. So I've already applied eye primer. I used the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Although this one, the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize, can also help with the staying power of the eyeshadow. A shader brush. So for it to really look smoky, I'm going to use a black eyeliner on my waterline. Also apply eyeliner a little bit close to the lash line so we can smudge with a small smudge brush. And then put some waterline as well and the lash line. Smudge it before it sets. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette for the eyes. So I'm going to start with color Ounce on the brow bone, just to highlight the brow bone. Then with a blending brush, we'll use a chaser just below that. So we'll go from light to dark. A flat shader brush, I'll be using the color Sauced, the third color. I'm going to use the color Lumber on the inner half of the eye. And then the color Scorched on the outer half. Begin with a smudge brush again, using the color Ashes. I'm going to put this closest to, just to darken that lash line. Just going to darken a little bit more higher up here, up to the crease, and then going downward, like slanting downward. Just blend it a little bit. Lower lash line. So start with this shade, Sauced. Just so even if there's a black there and a brown, you can see the bronze smoking peeking through. And then a little bit the sparkly bronzy shade on the inner corner. Of the sparkly bronzy shade on the lower lash line. I just want to highlight the inner corner with this Scattered Light glitter eyeshadow from Hourglass. This is the color Aura. It's like a bronzy pink. Just put this on the inner corner like that. For the lips, I use NYX lip liner in Nutmeg, Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk, and Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone.